Hey, what's up guys? Just wanted to do a really quick unboxing and review of this electric spin scrubber from VigorDay. And this thing is going to have 8 different attachments on it. It's going to have a 30-watt actual power to it. It's got all kinds of different features. Let's go ahead and get unboxed and see everything we've got in here. Alrighty guys, I got it unboxed and honestly was kind of impressed with all the different attachments it gets. I'm just going to go ahead and get this out of the way. It also includes this full-size mop here, kind of like where you can use it to put your product on there and you can use it to clean like similar to those straight mop styles, but you've got a really nice pad here you can use for that. Did not know it came with that, but it includes a really nice mop there as well. Here's the actual product. On the screen here, you've actually got your power button. This input spot is where you're gonna obviously charge it. So you're gonna have your USB Type-C plug there. It's got a nice little gasket on there so you can keep it where it's gonna be water resistant. Wouldn't take this under the ocean or anything, but you've got a nice little gasket there to keep most water out, and it seals it pretty good. But pressing this button here, it's gonna turn it on. That is the high setting. You press it once, it goes to the low setting. We're at a 90% charge there, and it is spinning. Press and hold the power button, and it turns it off. So for the attachments, let's get a bigger brush here. So here's one of the attachments, probably a 4 or 5 inch diameter brush there, and you just put this, clicks it on there just like that. Pretty straightforward. And so whenever you turn it on, you've got a nice, pretty good torque for what it is. Brush there you can use to agitate something. To kind of go over some of the other brushes, you've got a smaller one here. You've got a polishing pad, I guess, and you've also got a buffing pad there as well. Also includes some sort of Brillo pad style and another one of these mopping pads. And the way that these actually attach, these ones here that just have the felt on the back, you've got a Velcro base that you would actually attach, I don't drop it, attach it to the motor just like that, and then if you want to use the Brillo pad, you're just going to stick it on there just like that, and it peels off. So that is how you would use that there. Also includes another one of these, I think they call them a mop scraper, so you've got one of those as well that includes with it. And you've got your charging cord here. It's going to be USB Type A to USB Type C. That's what you're going to use to actually charge the scrubber itself. But overall, super impressed with it. It's got all kinds of different accessories. If you're looking for like kind of a kit you can use to clean and also mop, this is definitely one to go with. It's got basically everything you can need. This is going to have a really high power torque to it. Overall, you can also attach this to your actual what this is for. So right now it's got the mop head on here, but if I unscrew this, you can actually attach it to the scrubber if I don't drop it. So on this base here, you can screw this in just like that, and now you can get to those spaces that you can't reach up here just like that, and you can scrub however you need to scrub, and you've got the ability to do that when it's on. So if you guys are looking for a great high quality electric scrubber, I would highly recommend you guys checking this thing out. This thing is built to last, got all kinds of accessories, and I would highly recommend it.